Ladies and gentlemen, when speaking of Ninh Bình, a land that gathers the sacred spirit of heaven and earth, bearing marks of 1,000 years of history, we cannot overlook Bái Đính Pagoda, renowned as the largest pagoda complex in Southeast Asia. Bái Đính Pagoda is located on Bái Đính Mountain, Gia Sin Commune, Gia Vinh district, about 15 kilometers from Ninh Bình city. This is a grand spiritual complex, including both the ancient pagoda and the new pagoda, harmoniously blending majestic natural scenery with human creativity. First, let us visit the ancient Bái Đính Pagoda. Nestled on the mountainside, the old pagoda has a history of more than 1,000 years, closely linked to Zen master Nguyen Minh Kong, who healed King Lai Then Tong. It is also associated with the uprising of Dinh Bo Linh and is considered a sacred land of the ancient capital Hoaloo. Continuing that legacy, the new Bái Đính Pagoda was built in 2003, covering hundreds of hectares, and has become the largest Buddhist cultural and spiritual center in Vietnam. The complex holds many impressive records: the largest bronze Buddha statue gilded in gold in Asia, the longest corridor of Arhat statues in Asia, and a giant bronze bell weighing 36 tons. A special highlight is the 13-story stupa, nearly 100 meters tall, which houses Buddha relics brought from India and Myanmar, attracting millions of pilgrims each year. Bái Đính is not only a sacred place of worship but also a famous tourist destination, where visitors can immerse themselves in the tranquil atmosphere and admire the spectacular mountain landscapes of Ninh Bình. Every spring, the Bái Đính festival is held on a grand scale, drawing thousands of monks, Buddhists, and visitors from across the country. Ladies and gentlemen, Bái Đính Pagoda is more than a monumental architectural work. It is a symbol of spirituality and belief, a source of pride for Vietnamese Buddhism. A journey to Bái Đính is not only to admire the majestic beauty of Ninh Bính's mountains and rivers, but also to find peace within the soul.